We are in Riverside Park. We're about a mile north of our typical venue. This is one of the proposed areas we're talking about setting up transition and centering the 2020 Verizon New York City Triathlon around. If we make some of these changes, and again, these are all up in the air relative to working with the city and the parks, we are looking to change our swim course, which may start from the south and swim northbound, which has never happened. If that were to happen, possibly with this site, we might exit the swim in the opposite direction. So the swim would exit at 99th Street, potentially come up here into Riverside Park. The bike course would enter the Henry Hudson from a similar area. We would still use the course in its entirety, going north up into the Bronx and south. And then getting into Central Park would obviously change as well, being a mile north of our typical 72nd Street access into the park. We might enter from 96th. Again, still proposed. These are things that we're working on adamantly. The city has a couple of priorities that we're wanting them to focus on before we dial this in.